You have purchased the ultimate plus Rain-X car wash.
So there are times you wonder just why things like this exist. This is an adorable little mini tunnel. Okay, it did activate the conveyor. With a cool blue glowing foam nozzle. Isn't that trippy? I guess my answer as to why these things work is the wash speed is approximately 1 snail per hour. So this is actually a tunnel in the space of an in-bay automatic. There's a reverse osmosis system over there on the side. Or something. No, that's a reclaim system. Okay. Oh, you can stop that right now. Thank you very much. If I didn't already know I was using a Sonny's wash, there you go. Conveyor seems to have stalled. Oh, there it goes. I think I must have skipped a roller back there or something. No, it's still pushing. Well, that was sufficiently weird.